Beautiful lips are the subject of our first painting today. Do you like to draw facial features? Join me to enjoy drawing. Drawing body parts is very interesting. Do you think so too? Coloring time! This is a lipstick. It makes lips shiny and pretty. Look! These are big red lips. Let's color one side red and the other side pink. Great job drawing! You're an artist. Keep drawing every day and have fun. Wow! The lips look soft and beautiful now. The lips are smiling just for you. Let's draw some delicious sweets together. Its eyes and smiling lips show that it is a happy cake. We draw the first part of the cake. A little cream. This is the second part of this birthday cake. Again, a layer of cream and some pieces of fruit for decoration. Well done! Orange color for the cake. And a little pink color for the cream that looks like strawberry flavor. Let's draw a sweet and delicious cupcake together. First, the cupcake base. Now, the chocolate cake and some cream on it. This is from his big eyes and smiling lips. It is wonderful. For cupcakes, a little orange and of course brown to show that our cake is chocolate. Now a little yellow It's time for delicious donut. A circle that looks like someone has beaten him. Wow! How delicious this donut is! Orange for the donut and pink for the delicious cream on the donut. These colorful decorations. These eyes and lips, it looks like a sweet and delicious candy. Well done! We paint this delicious candy with rainbow colors. Have fun with these sweet treats. Please subscribe. See you in the next video, my friends.